Hello, aspiring investors. Welcome back to our channel Snap Savings, your go-to destination for financial wisdom. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of stocks with our guide, How to Invest in Stocks for Beginners. Whether you're a seasoned financial enthusiast or just dipping your toes into the investing pool, join us on this journey to unlock the secrets of building wealth through stock investments. Step number 1, the basics of stock market, understanding the fundamentals. Let's kick off our journey by laying the groundwork. In this segment, we'll explore the basics of the stock market, unraveling concepts like stocks, dividends, market capitalization, and more. Understanding these fundamentals is the first step towards making informed investment decisions. Tom's stock market vocabulary breakthrough. Meet Tom, who had a breakthrough with stock market vocabulary. How did Tom strategically tackle the seemingly complex terminology and gain confidence in navigating the stock market? Stay tuned for insights that can demystify the jargon for you. Let's understand how did Tom strategically grasp stock market terminology. Tom used online resources, joined investment forums, and started a mock portfolio to apply his newly acquired knowledge. This strategic approach not only built his understanding but also empowered him to communicate effectively in the world of stocks. Step number 2, setting financial goals, aligning investments with your objectives. Investing without clear goals is like sailing without a destination. In this segment, we'll explore the importance of setting financial goals and how aligning your investments with these objectives can pave the way for a successful investing journey. Emily's goal-oriented investment strategy. Imagine Emily, who crafted a goal-oriented investment strategy. How did Emily strategically define her financial goals, assess her risk tolerance, and choose investments aligned with her objectives? Stay tuned for Emily's strategic goal-setting insights. How did Emily strategically define her financial goals? Emily assessed her short-term and long-term objectives, considered her risk tolerance, and diversified her investments to match her goals. This strategic approach not only provided direction but also ensured that her investments were in sync with her aspirations. Step number 3, risk and reward, navigating the investment landscape. Every investment comes with a level of risk, but understanding the risk-reward relationship is key. In this segment, we'll navigate the investment landscape, exploring different types of risks and strategies to balance risk and reward. Alex's risk mitigation mastery. Meet Alex, the investor who mastered risk mitigation. How did Alex strategically assess and manage risks, diversify his portfolio, and achieve a balanced risk-reward ratio? Keep watching for Alex's strategic risk management insights. Let's explore how did Alex strategically manage investment risks. Alex diversified his portfolio across different sectors, conducted thorough research before making decisions, and periodically reviewed his investments. This strategic approach not only minimized potential losses but also positioned him to capitalize on opportunities in the market. Step number 4, different types of stocks, building a diverse portfolio. Stocks come in various shapes and sizes, each with its unique characteristics. In this segment, we'll explore different types of stocks, from blue-chip giants to growth stocks and dividend-paying gems. Building a diverse portfolio is the key to long-term success. Olivia's stock selection strategy. Imagine Olivia, the strategist behind a diverse stock portfolio. How did Olivia strategically select different types of stocks, balance growth and stability, and create a resilient investment portfolio? Stay tuned for Olivia's strategic stock selection insights. How did Olivia strategically select different types of stocks? Olivia assessed her risk tolerance, researched companies across various industries, and allocated her investments to create a well-rounded portfolio. This strategic approach not only optimized her returns but also provided stability during market fluctuations. Step number 5, how to buy stocks, navigating the stock market platforms. Now that we understand the basics, let's dive into the practical aspect, how to buy stocks. In this segment, we'll navigate popular online platforms, demystifying the process of purchasing stocks and building your investment portfolio. Jake's seamless stock purchase. Meet Jake, the investor who seamlessly purchased stocks online. How did Jake strategically choose a user-friendly platform, execute trades, and monitor his investments? Stay tuned for Jake's strategic stock buying insights. How did Jake strategically choose an online platform? Jake researched different platforms, considered fees and features, and practiced with a virtual portfolio before making actual investments. This strategic approach not only ensured a seamless buying experience but also enhanced his confidence as an online investor. Step number 6, market analysis, understanding stock trends and movements. To make informed decisions, you need to understand how to analyze stock market trends and movements. In this segment, we'll explore different methods of market analysis, empowering you to stay ahead of the curve in the dynamic world of stocks. Ethan's analytical advantage. Imagine Ethan, the investor with an analytical advantage. How did Ethan strategically analyze stock trends, use technical and fundamental analysis, and make well-informed investment decisions? Stay tuned for Ethan's strategic market analysis insights. How did Ethan strategically analyze stock trends? Ethan combined technical analysis for short-term trends and fundamental analysis for long-term potential. This strategic approach not only provided a comprehensive view of the market but also enhanced his ability to make informed investment decisions. Step number 7, investment strategies, long-term versus short-term approaches. Investing is a journey, and there are various paths you can take. In this segment, we'll explore different investment strategies, from long-term investing for wealth accumulation to short-term trading for active income. Discover which approach aligns with your financial goals. Sophia's long-term wealth accumulation. Meet Sophia, the investor focused on long-term wealth accumulation. How did Sophia strategically choose stocks, embrace a buy-and-hold strategy, and build her wealth over time? Stay tuned for Sophia's strategic long-term investment insights. Let's dig into how did Sophia strategically build her wealth through long-term investing? Sophia conducted thorough research, focused on companies with strong fundamentals, and resisted the temptation to react to short-term market fluctuations. This strategic approach not only secured her financial future but also allowed her investments to flourish over time. Step number 8, dividend investing, creating a passive income stream. Dividends can be a game changer in your investment strategy. In this segment, we'll delve into dividend investing, exploring how to create a passive income stream by strategically selecting dividend-paying stocks. Mason's dividend income success. Imagine Mason, the investor with dividend income success. How did Mason strategically choose dividend-paying stocks, reinvest dividends, and create a consistent income stream? Stay tuned for Mason's strategic dividend investing insights. How did Mason strategically create a passive income stream through dividends? Mason focused on companies with a history of consistent dividend payments, reinvested dividends to maximize compounding, and diversified his dividend portfolio. This strategic approach not only provided a reliable income source but also accelerated the growth of his investment portfolio. Step number 9, emotional discipline, mastering the psychology of investing. The stock market can be a roller coaster of emotions. In this segment, we'll explore the importance of emotional discipline in investing, providing strategies to navigate the psychological challenges and stay focused on your long-term goals. Ava's emotional resilience. Meet Ava, the investor with emotional resilience. How did Ava strategically manage emotions, stay disciplined during market fluctuations, and avoid impulsive decisions? Stay tuned for Ava's strategic emotional discipline insights. How did Ava strategically maintain emotional discipline in investing? Ava practiced mindfulness, set realistic expectations, and focused on her long-term goals, resisting the urge to react impulsively to short-term market fluctuations. This strategic approach not only preserved her mental well-being but also contributed to her overall investment success. Step number 10, monitoring and adapting to market changes. The stock market is dynamic and your investment strategy should be too. In this segment, we'll explore the significance of monitoring your portfolio regularly, staying informed about market changes, and adjusting your investments to align with your evolving goals. Noah's adaptive investment approach. Imagine Noah, the investor with an adaptive approach. How did Noah strategically monitor his portfolio, stay informed about market trends, and make adjustments to optimize his investment strategy? Stay tuned for Noah's strategic adaptive investing insights. How did Noah strategically adapt his investment approach? Noah regularly reviewed his portfolio, kept abreast of market news, and adjusted his investments based on changing market conditions. This strategic approach not only optimized his returns but also ensured that his portfolio remained resilient in the face of market fluctuations. Empower your knowledge. And there you have it, how to invest in stocks for beginners demystified. From understanding the basics to building a diverse portfolio, embracing different investment strategies, and mastering emotional discipline. You're now equipped to embark on your stock market journey with confidence. Thank you for being part of the Snap Saving community, where financial education transforms dreams into reality. Until next time, may your portfolios be prosperous and your investing journey be rewarding. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more profound insights into mastering your financial journey.